you want to make your Instagram or Facebook bio stand out with stylish fonts. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily write your bio in stylish fonts. So let's get started. First, you'll need to use a stylish font generator. There are many free tools available online like Cool Fonts, Lingojam, or Fonts for Instagram. Open your web browser and go to one of these websites. Now once you're on the website, you'll see a text box where you can type your bio. Enter the text you want to use for Instagram or Facebook bio. After you type your bio, you'll see a different stylish fonts. Scroll through the list and choose the font style that you want. You can choose like this, however you want. After you're happy with it, simply copy it. Once you find the perfect font, highlight the text and copy it to your clipboard. You can usually do this. Now let's paste the stylish font text in your Instagram bio. Click on Edit Profile. On bio, simply paste it. For Facebook, open the Facebook app or website, go to your profile, click on Edit Details or Edit Bio, paste the stylish font text in your bio section and save the changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to write your Instagram or Facebook bio in stylish font. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.